Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Happy weekend to you guys. So today's video, I'm just going to moisturize my hair with my homemade DIY hair product. So here is water. I have my shea butter hair grease here, so it's so moisturizing also. So here I have my flaxseed and aloe vera hair cream. So the video, they are already on my channel. As you can see how creamy this look now, that is how moisturizing it also be. So to my returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you guys a lot. If you are new here, you are also welcome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So I'm just going to show you how I use my hair grease that I made and my hair cream for my hair to promote hair growth and to also keep my hair moisturized. So when your hair is moisturized, that means it's going to stay out of breakage and it's going to be growing healthy and healthy. So first of all, I'll just spray some water on my hair first, because water is also a great moisturizer. Then work the water into my hair, so I just work it in very well. Then the next thing, I'm going to take my shea butter hair grease, then I will just put it on my hair. Now I'm going to take the cream first. I'm going to take the aloe vera flaxseed gel cream first, then after putting that on my hair, as you can see how moisturized, like it's just started defending my coil, as you can see. So the next thing, I'm going to add the shea butter on top of it to seal in the moisture. So this is just how I use it on my hair to promote my hair growth. So this is also good to detangle your hair because of the help of flaxseed and the what they call it, aloe vera. They are really good to moisturize and also help to detangle your hair. As you can see how easy I detangle my hair without any stress at all, just because of that marvelous product. So if you are not seen the video, I'll just try to link it at the description box below or at the screen anywhere in this video. Just look for it. You are going to see the hair cream, the grease and everything that I use on this video will be at the description box below. So guys, now I am done moisturizing my hair. This is how my hair look like now. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.